Hello YouTube, welcome back to Show You How. Today I'll be showing you how to remove a paint stain off your car or a truck, either one. Alright, so let's come over here. Alright, so the things you're gonna need is you need nail polish remover and you need dish soap. But make sure it doesn't have any bleach in it. So once you got those two, what you wanna do is you wanna get the nail polish remover. You want to dab a little bit on there. Just as so, like that, and you want to wipe it off, just like that, and it's gonna come out easy.
Oh my goodness!
All right. So just keep wiping it off.
Yeah, it's coming off too.
All right.
Oh,
just keep wiping it off.
Look good there.
You want to dab a little bit. You want to change it up in different spots and dab it and wipe it off.
Oh.
So just keep wiping it off like that. Just as so. And now what you want to do? You want to get a water hose. You want to get your water hose. Let's sit this down here. And you want to get your soap. Well, get your soap first. You want to put the soap right here on it. Just do it like that on it. You want to wear it like that. And if you see any more paint on the car, what you want to do, you want to get your nail polish remover again. You want to dab a little bit on there. And you want to wipe it off a little bit more. Just try to get as much as you can off for right now. And once you do that, you want to get a little bit more dish soap. You want to put it all over your car or your truck, either one. You want to get your hose again. And just want to do it like that. Until you get all of it off. Alright, so as you see now, I got most of it off right now, so it's going to be the end of the video. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I'm out.